Open up the TradingView website and choose any chart and time frame you'd like to trade on. Then head over to the indicator section and in the search bar, type in FDIA-STSL to add the FDI Adaptive Super Trend with Floating Levels indicator to your chart. Now we need to optimize the settings for this indicator before using it as a trading tool. Go to the indicator settings and adjust them to find the best values, similar to how it's shown in the video. Now that we have optimized the indicator settings, look for the letters to appear above or below the candles for trade signals. If you see the letter L appear below the candle, this is a buy signal, indicating you could potentially profit on a long trade. For example, in this chart, the L appears and entering a buy here could have led to a 17% profit. Alternatively, if you see the letter S appear above the candle, this is a sell or short signal, meaning you could profit on a short trade. For instance, in this chart, the S appears and entering a sell here could have resulted in a 31% gain. This strategy can be used to trade on old charts and time frames. If you look at these examples on different time frames, you'll see that this strategy works well across old charts. Now for the next part, we'll add the RSI histogram indicator. After adding it to the chart, optimize the settings just like in the video. Now that we have optimized the RSI histogram settings, we can use it to confirm the validity of trades. We will only consider a buy signal to be valid when the RSI histogram area is green and above the zero line at the same time as the L appears on the chart. Likewise, we will only take a sell signal if the RSI histogram area is red and below the zero line simultaneously with the S letter popping up. Let's look at some examples to see how using the RSI histogram prevents bad signals. In this case, an L appears for a buy signal, but the RSI histogram area is red, so this signal is rejected since the indicators don't agree. In the next example, we get an S for a sell signal which is confirmed by the red RSI histogram area, allowing us to profitably trade this signal. Then, in another example, an L appears but is rightly rejected by the RSI histogram being green, saving us from a losing trade. And finally, another valid sell signal is confirmed and a profitable trade is made. As we can see, this strategy very accurately distinguishes profitable signals from bad ones by requiring agreement. But there's still one more step, adding the 10-in-1 different moving averages indicator. This will help give even more confirmation and precision for our trades. Now, go into the 10-in-1 different moving averages indicator setting and adjust them exactly as I have. With these optimized settings, we can use the moving averages to confirm the overall market trend direction. When the price is above all the moving averages, indicating an uptrend, you should only take buy signals. And when the price is below all the moving averages, signaling a downtrend, only take sell signals. This ensures you never trade against the prevailing trend. Additionally, if the price is mixed in and crossing over the moving averages frequently, we should avoid entering trades. When the moving averages are twisted together and crossing over each other, it signals a choppy, range-bound market without a clear direction. Now that we have all the tools, let's go over the trading rules. First, the guidelines for long trades. To enter a long trade, we first wait for a long signal to be issued. After that, we must check that the closing price of the signal candle is above all the moving averages, confirming the uptrend. Finally, the RSI histogram area must also approve the signal. Only with all these conditions met can we enter the long trade. After entering, place the stop loss below the moving average 100 band. And target 1.5 times the stop loss amount for profit taking. And to take a short trade, first we patiently watch for a sell signal to emerge on the chart. Next, the closing price of the signal candle needs to be positioned under all the moving averages, confirming a downtrend is in place. Additionally, the RSI histogram area must be red to approve the signal. When all these criteria are met, we can execute the short trade. After entering the short position, set your stop loss above the top moving average 100 band and your profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss amount. And if you're looking for a complete finalized strategy to profit in the financial markets, I highly recommend checking out this video.